Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Kikoff credit builder loan. Let's get straight into the video. The first method is the online application. So you just got to visit the Kikoff website and click on apply now. Now you want to provide personal information and financial information such as the name, your address, date of birth, income and employment status. And then you want to select the loan amount that you want to apply for, typically ranging between $500 to $1,000, and then just review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. If you want to use the mobile application method, what you want to do is to first download the Kikoff mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices, or you can do that from the Google Play Store for Android devices, and then just provide your personal and financial information such as your name, address, date of birth, employment status and income, and then of course also select the amount that you want to apply for, and then review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Now the required information for this process is first a personal identification. So you got to provide a valid government issued identification card, such as a driver's license, or it could be your passport. You're also going to need to verify your income, so you got to provide proof of income, such as a pay stub, or it could be a W-2 form. You also need employment verification. You're going to need to provide proof of employment such as a letter from your employer or a business card. And then you're also going to need bank account information. You're going to need to provide your bank account information to set up your automatic payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Kikoff credit builder loan. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.